Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Motorola Razr 60 Ultra. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar, and now go to settings. Then you have to go to Google Assistant, and you have to scroll down and click on voice match. Then click on turn on and click get started. Then you have to scroll down and click agree, then click next, and now click on return voice match model. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Then click next, and now you can go back and click on lock screen. Then click yes I'm in, and make sure that this first option stays on, and now we have to go back and go back again and click on Gemini. And now click on more and continue, and now scroll down and click use Gemini. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.